Hey guys, welcome! Today I'm taking down my Christmas decorations and putting up my summery ones. Please pardon my outfit, like I literally packed up everything already, so this is just, I'm trying to like not get clothes dirty. So excuse the outfit, excuse my hair. Oh my gosh, my cat is being so cuddly. Wow, it's windy. And you can also click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of my travels because I will be traveling for like a whole year basically. This is the state of the room basically. Honestly, there's not that much decor, so that should be quick, but it is a mess because I am still like packing. But we are gonna just, you know, get rid of some of the Christmas stuff. Like over here, there's a lot. Also, I have no idea how this ended up in my room. I think my mom maybe brought it here, but I just found this. Some decor over here, but mostly, oh, this stuff needs, or like the ornaments, I love it by the way, it's so pretty, but that will come down, and the garlands, and really it's not that much. Ow. 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 Need you didn't meet, but that's all days now. Okay, so I realized that Christmas was a little while ago, but the thing is, I like to keep up my winter decor a little bit later on into the year, just because otherwise my room looks so bare. In January and February, it's still too early to put up summer decor or spring decor because there's still snow on the ground, so I like to keep all the pine branches and basically all the winter decor up. I feel like when I decorate for Christmas, it's more of a winter theme, not specifically Christmas. Just for a while, some way, we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. Perfect. For every section, I'm just taking down the winter decor first and then cleaning everything. I feel like it just tends to get really dusty, and then after that, putting up some of the more summery spring decor. I really love decorating with eucalyptus in the warmer months because it just looks so beautiful. Right now I just have some dry eucalyptus from last year, but I actually really like getting fresh eucalyptus from Trader Joe's. It's just a few dollars and then it dries really beautifully, so you don't even have to replace it all that often. But the smell is very nice when it's fresh. I like to use live pine branches for my winter decor, first of all because it's cheaper and it also smells really nice and it just looks really good too. The only thing is they shed the little pines so much. Doing nothing, I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue, can't do nothing else than doing nothing. The desk is probably my favorite part of my entire room. I just think it looks really nice and it is a little Pinterest famous at this point actually. I have a few videos on how I set up my desk and where everything is from, so I will link those down below. Inside my room, the heat's like a warm embrace. My bed feels like heaven. I lose track of time and space. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be patient with me. I'll be right, somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing. I'm going section by section here, just decorating each little furniture piece as I go. It's always so hard to film me decorating this shelf because it's so big and my camera can never get the full thing in one shot. Maybe one day you'll cross paths and you both got new perfumes, and the life you used to live Fitting in all of my decor into these bins is like playing Tetris. I know that they all can fit, they have fit before, but you just have to figure out the right arrangement. I'm also trying to be careful because they are pretty delicate. Finally sweeping and mopping the entire room. This time around I really got into all of the little corners because I feel like this is sort of like spring cleaning for me, trying to be very thorough here. It's always good to do this step last because as you're putting up decor, as you're putting it away, dirt and dust and little pieces tend to fall off and get the floor really dirty. Last but not least, I am putting on a fresh set of bedding. I had this in the wash, so now it's all nice and clean. I'm actually super picky when it comes to my bedding, but this is perfect. At first, it was a little too silky and it just kept sliding off, but after a few washes, it's the perfect amount of soft and silky, but not too slippery. Alright guys, well my room is all ready for spring and summer. It's all clean. It's back to its neutral decor state. So happy with how everything looks. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you stay up to date with all of my other Pinterest inspired videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!